Hey, Dana, and welcome to my vlog, and this is around the house. Well, I was trying to figure out, I really didn't want to use the two-way tape to stick it to the bed frame because there's no way going to be able to get it off of there so you can get the batteries out once they go bad. So I got thinking about it. Well, heck, I've got Velcro kicking around the house. So I'm going to put a piece cut a piece, maybe two pieces, one here and one here, and then made it up with the other. This is that heavy industrial stuff here. So then I can just stick it up underneath the bed, and then it'll hang, and then when I need to get it, just pull it. So let's get me a two links here. There you go. I don't even know how much I really need. Maybe just a single strip, huh? This is self-adhesive. Stick it on the top. Looks close. Yeah, I may just need the one. Alright. Then find a central location. Maybe about an inch. And I'll be able to get it off of there when you need to replace the batteries. I'll cover whatever. It jams up on the self-adhesive on the back side. There you go. Alright. What I'm going to do is just, I got it stuck to it. There we go. And that'll solve that. Because you put the self-adhesive up there, it's going to be permanent. So you don't want to do that, because now you're not going to get it off there to get the batteries replace the batteries. I think what I'm going to do is get the automotive LED strips, and because they're 12 volt. Now you can buy a 12 volt plug adapter, so now you're running regular 12 volt through those lights, and they're also Wi-Fi turn off or manual click button on those as well. So that might be my next effort there, and you can actually dial different colors within the LEDs, and then you won't have to worry about changing batteries. So that'll be my next one. Hopefully I can finish this up now. We gotta go set this up because I gotta get underneath it. Plus the bed mattress doesn't fold unless somebody's on it. Rolling. Doing. Oh, alright. Now I gotta put it on my head. Oh, get the dogs out of the way so I can get underneath it. Okay. Not exact lights. Oh man. It starts kicking. Ah. Oh wow. Really? So let's find a good place for it. I was thinking maybe it'd be good up under here, but so I got the side just a little bit higher than the other. I'll have to adjust that. That in the way. Oh, that's flat right here. Alright, we'll go with that. Alright, I like that idea. Want to go right, turn out just a little bit so it's touching the kind of shooting the light that way a little bit. Doesn't have to be, it's not going anywhere. All I need to do is hang. And it's definitely industrial enough to make it hang. So we needed one. Alright. There we go. Where's my transmitter? Yeah, there we go. There we go, nice. Alright. I think that's gonna do it. I like that. Alright. So what do you think? I'll conclude that for now. Like I said, I'm probably gonna get a second one to put on her side, or I'm gonna go ahead and get the automotive LEDs, and then I can put those right around the lower sections of the bed and plug them in. I like that. Alright. Or another, well, at least with the automotive ones, you can change the colors. Make it pretty cool in here. The other thing is getting the long LED electric ones, and then put a transmitter on it. You can buy transmitters with key fobs, but those are some options. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment. Definitely subscribe and share. And we'll catch you on the next around the house. Let's see how that looks. Because we got, it's kind of not really dark in here right now. Alright. Yeah, definitely. You get a little bit of coming off the bottom of the bed. That'll work. Alright.